Power may fluctuate, trust does not. Neomax reliability in every detail. Welcome to Neomax, where every connection is designed to last. A Ukrainian manufacturer of modern electrical solutions for home, business and industry. A portfolio built for real projects, cable trunking, junction and distribution boxes, extension cords, reels, plugs and accessories. Documented, certified. Cable trunking and electrical conduits designed to look aesthetic and hold firm. In classic white or anthracite, to disappear into the space of deflining. Need absolute hold? Our double lock. And when time is critical, the adhesive series turns cable trunking installation into execution. Fast, aesthetic, consistent, for flexible routine corrugated pipe. Here, every blend takes shape. Distribution boxes, wall sockets and housing are molded with engineering precision, using modern injection systems that guarantee consistency. Automated handling and strict monitoring prepare each element for the next stage of assembly. From flush-mounted to surface-mounted distribution, choose what the project requires. From a single room to a production floor, extension cords engineered for a dependable distribution. Reels with integrated fuse safety that resets. Work continues. The finishing touch needs packaging. Each product receives a Neomax mark. It's carefully prepared for its journey to customers. From Ukraine to European markets, simple to stock, easy to specify, effortless to scale, always in standard. Neomax is more than a factory. It's a system, a mindset, the promises behind every reliable circuit.